Hi to my dear watcher, how are you? What's up? This video is in this video we want to create this circuit in reality. Let me show you. As you can see, these are the. Let me show you. These are three capacitors that are these. Let me show better to you. These are this, and this. These are red capacitors, where 1 microfarad capacitors of this circuit, and this is the inductor of this circuit. That is which of its pinotes or terminals or nodes will be our circuit output, oh my dear watcher. Okay, thank you. And these two resistors that you are seeing here are these 1 kilo ohm and also other 1 kilo ohm resistor that are one of these connected to the positive node or terminal of the input, this circuit input condition, and other resistor is connected to the previous 1 kilo ohm resistor and also to the base pinode or terminal of this NPN transistor. And next thing is our inductor. This is inductor. See, is in this black area. We have like this inductor inside of this, and let me show you this inductor in our circuit. That is nothing except then this. As you can see, 1 millihenry inductor. At last, thank you. I will be with you with the step-by-step creating this circuit in the reality. This isn't hard circuit. This isn't a circuit until match with our cosmic area. Okay, this is just the limited and small circuit that I will create you in the future. As I introduced you this circuit, I will create this circuit in the reality. Anyway, thank you just from your seeing and watching. Please don't forget to like, share, use, and comment and subscribe. Excuse me, so I can create better contents for you. Anyway, thank you. Bye.